Okay, so ngayon nandito ako sa LBC dito sa may Cubao, and kasi yung bagahe ko hindi pa rin nila alam kung saan nalagay, and 1 week na lang aalis ang asawa ko, and those baggage is not mine, it's for my husband, and my husband is so mad with me right now because of the happening in the LBC, and it's not a sea cargo, it's a air cargo, but the LBC said the cargo is already in their warehouse, and those warehouse is not here in the city. So I'm not going the province for those warehouse because I have a death threat right now, and common sense, I'm not going in that area if nabulol na naman ako. Hindi ako papasok doon sa area na papunta na probinsya kung may death threat ako ngayon. So ayun, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone. So ang idea ko na lang magagawa dito ay to give this talagang number ng cargo kasi important yun sa asawa ko, and papagalitan niya ako pag hindi ko nakuha this 1 week from now. So ito yung babae, siya pa rin yung nasa UP Diliman sa UP University na nakasama ko sa jeep na ini-stalk ako, and hindi ko alam, girl, what happened? Why you always following me? There's something wrong to you, or you go back to North Korea, or if you are the one who assassin Chao Ching-i in North Korea, that's why you're hiding here in the Philippines, and you put a bomb pussy to other Filipino because they doesn't know about mind control and frequency and synthetic telepathy mind control with the voice to skull with your military in North Korea. Go back to your country. This is Philippines. You're not Philippians. You're pussy lesion. There's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone.